Hey my FK gang, how y'all doing? Welcome to Fergie's Kitchen. If you happen to just be browsing and you ran into my channel, please like and subscribe and tell your friends about what goes on in Fergie's Kitchen, all right? Today, guys, I'm just gonna make some puff guava pastry. Just two different kinds of pastry I'm gonna make today. So here is my ingredients. This is my puff pastry, and this is my guava. I already take some out. Just gonna use some eggs and some sugar for coating with some flour for dusting. And that's my ingredients for today, guys. I'll see you soon. Okay guys, I'm putting a little sugar in it. I preset my oven to 375. I'm gonna put this in for 18 to 22 minutes. All right. As the egg wash makes it crispy and brown. And I'm gonna put these in also for 18 to 25 minutes the most at 375. Ready? Okay, my FK gang, we're at the end of another segment. I'm here to present my little guava treats today. So these are the guava cream cheese, and these are just guava. Just a little sweet and a little treat for you guys. And you can freeze them and take them out and warm them in the oven for like 10-15 minutes. All right, hey guys, remember you can find Kitchen Fergie's on Instagram and Fergie Kitchen on Facebook. All right, and you can Google search engine and you'll find Fergie's Kitchen. And as you know, Fergie feeds the body, the mind, the heart, and the soul. So today's scripture will be coming from Proverbs 14 verse 30. A sound heart is the life of the flesh, but envy the rottenness of the bones. And from Fergie's Kitchen to you guys today, the sweat, the time, the devotion, the dedication, it all pays off in the end. Please remember, Fergie loves you. Enjoy. Bye-bye.